Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You want to enjoy premium features on Spotify without paying. Basically, today in this video I'll show you how can you get free Spotify premium on Spotify, of course. So let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the app updated. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Play Store or App Store to make sure you have Spotify updated, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything runs smoothly in the process. After that, let's go to the store and of course open Spotify. Wait for it to load up. Of course, you have to be logged into your account right here. And as you can see, guys, I have a free subscription for now. But what I can do about it is, first I'm going to go to settings. So you tap on the profile picture in the top left corner of the screen right there. And then from here, simply you can tap on settings and privacy. And then as you can see, guys, it says free account. I can tap on go premium from there, or I can tap on the premium button in the bottom right there. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna tap on go premium. As you can see, guys, it says try 1 month for $0. So you can literally enjoy premium features on Spotify for a whole month without even having to pay. And what's cool about this is if you have, let's say, multiple accounts on Spotify, you can enjoy this feature by just logging out from one account and then doing the same thing on your other account. Of course, you're gonna have different playlists, but you can merge them basically like the same songs or whatever. And of course, sometimes or in some locations, the free trial is more than 1 month. It can even go to up to 3 months in some locations. So if you're one of those lucky people, you can basically enjoy Spotify premium features for free for more than 1 month, 2 months, even 3 months. Of course, if you have other accounts, again, you can use them as well. If you have friends that can borrow you their accounts, you can use that as well. So you basically never have to pay. Anyways, this is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you so much for watching.